Right, simplify fully. 3p squared minus 12 over q squared minus 8q divided by p squared minus 5p minus 14 over q squared plus 4q. Now this actually looks quite complicated, but it's actually easier than you actually think it is. Now when you're dividing fractions, you keep the first one, you change the sign of the divide to a multiplication, and then you flip or take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So you just flip the second fraction. First step, because we've got a division. So keep, change, flip. Right, the next step is to factorize fully everything. So the factorization of 3p squared minus 12, well, first of all, is to take out a common factor of 3, and we get p squared minus 4. In the denominator, there's a common factor of q, so we're going to get q brackets q minus 8 times. Here, there's a common factor of q, and we've got q plus 4. And then this one needs to be factorized into two brackets. Either you do product sum factors or factorize it directly into two brackets. So we've got p and p. Make 14, we can only use 2 and 7, really. We want minus 5, so this one needs to be minus 7, and then adding 2, that will make the minus 5 in the middle. Otherwise, you have to use the product sum factors idea. Right, next step is to realise that p squared minus 4 can be factorised using the idea of the difference of two squares, and you should always look out for this and sort of learn this, that a squared minus b squared is a plus b, a minus b. There are q's will cancel out. You can cancel like that with fractions. So the numerator now becomes 3. P plus 2, P minus 2. In the denominator, we've got Q minus 8. And then here we've got Q plus 4 over P plus 2, P minus 7. Then we notice that the P plus 2's will cancel out. And then there is nothing else that really cancels out. So we've got 3 in the numerator. We've got 3 times p minus 2 times q plus 4. You have to put some brackets in. In the denominator, we're going to go have p minus 7 times q minus 8. And that is as far as we can go with that one. Okay, so the technique: keep, change, flip, factorize fully as possible, cancel. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.